I am with Mr. Raman Chaudhary from Fraunhofer Institute's ICT. Mr. Chaudhary, first of all, we express our deep gratitude for your taking this participation, having come all the way from Germany for this participation. I want to know, would you please tell us what are your impressions about this particular event?
Well, I will surely like to mention one thing, that Automotive Engineering Show is held for the first time. And though the show was held for the first time, it was really excellent organization from Focus Events Private Limited. As well as one thing I'm really impressed that it was quite an interactive show where we could speak with lots of people who are related with the automotive industry. And it was certainly beneficial to join into this event because we are working in some particular technologies and we got evaluation of these technologies now for Indian market. So such shows are really helpful, and I hope that such events will be taking place in Pune, in the region of Pune quite often, and we will get to see more developments in the automotive field in coming days. Thank you very much once again for the excellent organization of this show, and I wish Focus Events much success.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.